Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for February. And this is the Walkabout Cam. It was a little bit small turnout this month. That may have been because there was a big show the day before, or it could be we were on the wrong weekend because we got rained out the previous weekend. Either way, we went out and we took a lot of video, took a lot of pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Eric, he wants to know 9 had got sick. Fine. Yeah. That'll be cool. And he's like, it's ambitious, but it's not. They're going to be busy.
Sitting all that time because I'd be like driving down the road and I start getting these bumps, just like especially around 55 miles an hour. I thought it was park close at first.
You're good? You're good? right color and everything.
It's beautiful. You're fine.
All right, guys, made it out to Yulee Cars and Coffee. It's a little bit smaller of a crowd than we would normally have, and it's probably because it's not the normal weekend; it's the weekend after. So um, there's still some interesting cars out here. We got a couple of pretty cool cars out here. We'll take some more video, but just it's an off weekend. There was a big car show yesterday. I think a lot of people went out to it and just didn't want to come out today. So we'll show you what we got, and so stay tuned. This will be an okay video. Um, but just it's a light turnout this week. I mean, this month. You never know from month to month. But anyway, stay tuned. All right, everybody. This is going to wrap up this video from the February Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and share, and maybe even subscribe on the way out. We really would appreciate it. And if you think about it, don't forget to share this around to your friends and family and tell them to follow this guy and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.